Hey, look, tell the camera what up.
What's up, YouTube? Miami. We there. Turn. Fort Lauderdale. All South Miami.
Read that nigga. Hey, yo, what's good, YouTube? I appreciate the 700 subscribers, man. It really been from ground up, you know what I'm saying? I'm really trying to be more consistent. Y'all more content, you know what I'm saying? But tonight we really gonna be on. We're gonna hop on on the monkey out tonight and see what's going on monkey out tonight. But stay tuned and like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know like what other content y'all want to see. DM me this, that, and the third. Hey, another thing. Any upcoming let me see. Any upcomers out there with merch and anything. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want somebody to hop in there for y'all and put it out there, tap in with me, let me know like if you I'm tapping with Horner right now, but yeah, man. Shout out to Mr. Come On Man himself, you know what I'm saying? Shout out. Yeah. We ain't gonna speak too much on that. But yeah, man, long little homie. You know what I'm saying? The bigs of them all. But yeah, let's get into the video. Who is Jay? Young Jay, what's happening? Yeah, nigga, I'm not trying to match none of you niggas that. What's your IG? Yeah, I wasn't trying to hop on that bit with you anyway. Remove the blur. Oh my god.
Hello?
What's going?
You can't fight.
I can't fight, I know that.
You look so familiar, like...
You say what?
Are you famous on TikTok or something?
Nah, not yet. But now I got a question though.
What's your question?
Picking up one through 3.
Hey, 3.
3. Alright, so like what's a red flag in you and like what you notice like when you're in a relationship?
You... Wait, what do you mean?
Like what's a red flag that you notice like when you with somebody?
Okay, so my 3 red flags are you can't be toxic, you can't be entertaining other people, and I'm the only... Okay, so red flag is you can't be entertaining other people, can't be toxic, and shit, what's the other one? You can't be you can't be a hypocrite.
A hypocrite.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't too, I mean, that ain't. So what's the red flag that you got?
I'm not a red flag, I'm a green flag. Everything I do is a green flag.
Come on now, everybody got a red flag in them.
I don't really... Well, people be calling me, well, I don't really think I'm a narcissist. I just think that I'm just like, I'm just obsessed with myself, and I just feel like I'm that bitch. It's either that or a hypocrite, which is I'm a hypocrite. People call me a hypocrite, but I know I'm not a hypocrite, so that don't really apply to me.
Yeah. Where you from?
I was born in Little Rock, Arkansas, but I live in Miami.
You live who?
Yeah.
10 folks. Hey, you going on YouTube, so tell them hey.
What? I'm on YouTube.
Yeah.
So you on stream?
Yeah, I'm live right now.
Okay, can I shout myself out or no?
You at?
Okay, y'all gonna follow my Instagram at D3MAR1US. Period.
Hey. That's...
Guy with the shotgun.
Yo, what's going?
A vibrator.
Huh?
What's in your hand?
A Roku?
No, Nah, that was not it.
I ain't got no damn vibrator. What y'all talking about? Hey, nah, I got a question for y'all to do.
Yeah.
Pick a number 1 through 3. Round of 3.
Wait, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Do you like my eyebrows?
Yeah, they raw.
Thank you, dog.
For sure. Where y'all from?
United Kingdom.
For sure. Hey, pick a number 1 out of 3.
2. 5.
1, 2, or 3.
Oh.
2.
6.
Dos.
2.
Joe!
Alright.
Wait, how do you say 3 in Spanish?
What's your preference?
Trey said.
Who picked question 2?
Both of us.
Alright, so the question is, what's your preference? Like, what you prefer?
Like in what? Food?
Like, now I'm saying like in men overall, like general.
Like dick.
Nigga, what? Nigga, what?
What dick do you want?
No,
White dick,
fam.
black dick,
I ain't say that. He
Asian
tripping.
dick.
No, I'm saying like, what's your preference like in men?
Oh, like, what's your type?
Yeah, that part.
Like white dudes, black dudes, or Asian dudes? Denali said she likes Asian.
No. I don't like Asians.
She likes the black
I
guys.
don't like Asians because they make my sheet packages and they're late.
They make what?
My sheet packages are late.
So what's your preference? What you prefer?
Black dude.
This
No,
guy.
actually, though, like, I need those tiny skids to Wally work faster. I'm trying to get tight.
Let's get that.
Trying to get tight.
I'm trying to get drip.
I thought you meant tight, like something else.
What you know about that Playboy Cardi? Wait.
That Playboy Cardi, I don't really listen to Playboy Cardi like that.
What you know about, bro? He my god.
Yeah.
Gosh, Cardi, wait.
Hey, where you from?
Where I'm from?
Yeah, where y'all
I'm from the
from?
Bronx.
You from the Bronx?
You from the Bronx for real, bro?
Y'all live?
Bronx, New York.
Yeah.
Am I little?
They trip out. John, I can't do it. They skipped me, I'm skipping them. But it's like,
Hello,
what's going?
what are you doing?
I'm vlogging right now, screaming. Get in the camera.
What you mean? Hold on, what you mean screaming?
YouTube.
Oh, good looking. I put my face in the camera.
Why? What's wrong with that? She more something ugly. She talking how you go walk with that. I ain't for my camera. Cut. What's going? You can't talk.
What?
I say you can't talk.
Yes, I can.
Okay. How old are you?
And I refuse not to talk.
Oh, I'm sorry. How old are you?
What you looking at me like?
Don't get mad, nigga.
Seal looking ass to my deal looking at you better. One eye looking at, my eye looking at, my tongue looking at.
I just asked how old you was. That's it. You tired? You in bed? You sleeping? Hola. Why you looking like that?
You throwing me off, bro.
How? You throwing me off.
What the fuck you mean?
You got the turbans on, lips all greasy.
Why people keep saying the next person say that they're gonna have to meet me in the motherfucking field for fight?
Can you fight?
What?
Can you fight?
Yup.
Is that so? Well, show me a video.
Try me.
Show me a video right now. You fighting? And let me
Try
judge.
me. Well, I don't have my phone is dead. My second phone, so
Where you from?
Louisiana, is that a problem?
Louisiana.
What the fuck you mean?
Y'all the poops.
Where the fuck you from? Where the fuck you talking shit?
The best state in the universe, Florida.
What? Don't know about that.
Florida. Where everybody want to be from. Where everybody come from spring break and during the summer.
I knew the fuck you was about to say that.
That's where all y'all come at.
Not me.
Yeah. So you never been this way.
I mean, I have, but it's kind of fucking boring.
What part? Where your boyfriend at?
What?
You must be sick. You got that humidifier behind you? You sick?
You trying to be funny, bruh.
I just act. Your nose start up.
I wish I could turn this camera and show you what the fuck you look like.
What I look like? You know what you look like? You know what you look like?
What?
A mudfish.
A what?
A mudfish.
What the fuck is that?
I'm finna show you. I'm gonna show you what you look like. You tell me I look like, what that was, a blowfish?
No fucking what?
What that was? You know what a mudfish is? You ready? Ah! What the fuck, my cook?
You really thought you ate this, like?
Hey, that's what she look like. She told me I sound like a fish. Gotta go. Alright, I'm done talking to her. No routes. Yo. What happened? You in the stew? You in the stew? Jit in the stew, man.
Bitches in Ohio now.
What's up, bro?
So, bro, your black ass look looks like you need some monkey black ass bitch.
No. Jit went in, ain't her? We got like 10 back. That my sit on my drink. What my yo.
Yo, what's up?
What's going? What's happening?
What's good? What you sipping on?
Shit, it's just some little wine punch right here.
We were sipping on some Southern Comfort because we don't got no good shit.
Yeah, where y'all from?
We're from Tennessee.
Tennessee, okay. Hey, look, I'm streaming right now, so go and shout yourself out.
What happened?
I'm live right now. Go and shout yourself out right now.
Wait. Is that on Instagram?
No, I'm on YouTube.
YouTube? Wait, say it again?
I say go and shout yourself out. What the hell?
That's my white best friend. She's amazing.
She talking about her white best friend. What you want? You must be black or something. You talking about your white best friend?
Yup. Excuse me.
Yeah. And that ain't hurt.
Which one?
How many you got in your note? Yeah.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
She Count Dracula.
And then my ears.
That shit ain't. That's going in your like in the side of them.
Yeah, it's a regular piercing,
right here.
but it's a bar that connects. And then there's a chain that goes.
Hell nah, fam.
You don't like the piercings?
I wouldn't get it. I know that shit hurt. It would hurt me.
Do you like girls with piercings though?
Yeah, facts, of course.
See, she bad. Look at her blue eyes. She's so gorgeous.
Of course. Then your real eyes?
Yes, it's her real eyes.
Okay, I just
you think
had
you got
that.
time to be putting contacts on at 1:24 in the morning?
I just had that. That's all.
What time is it over there?
Same time. 124.
Same time?
Yeah.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Florida.
Since we told you Florida?
Yeah.
I've been to Miami Beach, that's all.
When?
Huh?
When?
It was like 2 years ago in March.
In March. How old you are?
We're 20.
20?
How old are you?
24.
24? Don't you think you're a little too old to be on this app?
Hey, this all for content purpose. This ain't nothing like that though.
I understand there's a little too many peepees out there, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it's a lot of weird men out there, so you make sure you're not one of them.
Nah, hell no, for sure. Facts, no. Not one of them.
So how many subscribers do you have on YouTube?
I mean, if you go subscribe, you'll be the first one.
Wait, so you just started your account?
Maybe.
Are you saying that you have no subscribers and you have a YouTube account?
Now you'll be the first one.
Brother. I don't believe you though. Why you doing that? Why you doing all hand movement?
I'm talking to the camera.
We with little secret hands?
I'm talking to the camera.
Are we recording? You're recording us right now?
Yeah.
Why do we have to be in that YouTube though? Edit this out when you edit your video. Edit us out because we show our face.
You get already. You get in the camera.
Me?
Yeah, the people want to see you.
The people don't want to see me. How do you know?
Don't y'all want to see her? The chat saying yeah.
Oh, you're live streaming?
No, you're not.
The live stream don't want to see me.
They said they want to see you now.
But I'm only 16.
Hey, I can see myself in your glasses. Yeah. But I'm finna go. If y'all wanna shout yourself out, go ahead right now.
Go follow Sluts Gut.
Oh no. She talking about Sluts Gut. She tripped out.
Oh, you're back already? You're back already? I know, right? This app is weird.
Oh, there she goes. She back again.
What's up?
What's going? So what you saying? You finna shout yourself out what it was?
Instagram? You want Instagram or
whatever you want to shout out?
I'll give me your Instagram.
I
lost my phone, so I can't.
My Instagram is.
How many viewers do you got right now?
The real may never know. You'll see if you watch the video.
Okay, I can watch the video.
Sluts and Guts. That's my thing.
Who?
her tag is Sluts and Guts. And Sluts and Guts.
10-4, y'all got that. Sluts and Guts.
Yeah, follow. Enjoy that.
Talking some sluts and guts.
Yo.
What up, brother?
What y'all know about that gas?
What up, brother?
What's happening? Hey, turn it up.
You want to see a Draco?
Yeah, let me see.
Okay, bet.
Why you don't be no gay shit? Hey, where y'all from?
What? Florida.
Yeah, what part? No, that boy got a Drake. Hey, y'all see this boy got a Drake? You see that? Hey, you can't keep that in there too long. I'm gonna have to blink that out. No, boy. And that just had a Drake in that bit. What happened?
Yo, what's going on?
What's going? Let me. What is that gas? Cut what that is? What that is, cut?
We're diving right now, bro.
Yeah, let me hit that. Pass me some.
Alright, hold up. Sit. Getting hot. That.
Slap.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where y'all from?
From Alaska, bro.
Damn, fam. Y'all far.
Yes, sir.
Boy, tap in, no man. Hey, look, y'all boy.
Where you from, bro?
I'm from Florida.
Florida.
Yeah.
Yeah, just not too far west of us. Where's your roof at, bro?
My who?
Where's your roof at?
I don't know, fam. I ain't understand nothing he just said. On God, I ain't know. Them boys doing that. Yo,
What's up?
what's happening? Where you from?
Pennsylvania.
How are you?
And where is he from?
I'm from Florida. How are you? Huh?
What?
I said I'm from Florida. Where you from?
I just told you I'm from Pennsylvania.
Oh, how are you? Oh, you must be.
How you live?
How old are you?
Oh, 18.
18 for sure. Why you ain't in the camera? I can't see your face.
Alright, hold up. Oh, you were one of the YouTube guys, bro. Fuck.
You gonna show the people your face?
They can see me?
If you get in the camera, yeah. Oh, okay. You must be in the bed, shawty.
I was.
You was. You tired? But you still? You got a headache? Where your boyfriend?
I ain't got one.
Why? You toxic?
No? Oh shit, no. I could be, but I choose not to.
Oh, and why is that?
I'm not gonna be toxic unless you be toxic towards me.
You gonna tell my people, my subscribers, hey?
What's up, subscribers?
She's single, y'all, so if y'all, you know what I'm saying, shout yourself out, let them folks know where to find you at. Oh, she don't want y'all to look, yeah, I'm sorry, I tried.
I like to keep my life private.
Yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's the best way to be though. Stay off the map. So what you still like?
Again?
Huh?
Florida, right?
Yeah.
She say, homie, you the one. And she go crazy and I put that shit on.
Y'all think I should? Chat say do it for them.
I like 6 foot.
Huh?
I like 6 foot.
6 foot.
I just wanna have children that are taller than me. I'm 4'9".
You 4'9". Hey, you know, you like the first person I done heard shit like that 4'9". You know, normally girls be like, oh, I'm 5 foot. Like, what's the whole purpose? Like, everyone want to hit that 5 foot mark. Like, why?
No, because like my parents are from Nepal, like from the mountains, so they're like short people.
Yeah. So where you originally
They're
from?
taller than me, but
Where you originally from?
I'm from Nepal, but I live down here.
You in school?
Yeah.
What else can I ask? I had another question for you. So like, what's a red flag that you notice first, like when you with somebody?
Eye contact.
That's a red flag?
The way. No, like I feel like when you stare at somebody, you know a lot more than like when you get to talk to them.
That's a red flag?
Like if they can't keep an eye contact.
Oh, okay, I get you saying. Okay, I got you. So what's your red flag? Don't say you ain't got one, because everybody got a red flag.
I do.
Okay. For sure.
When you like tell a guy stuff that you don't like more than twice, or at least 3 times, that's like a major red flag.
Got you. So why you single then?
They cheated on me.
He cheated on you?
Yeah.
And how long y'all was together?
We were together for like 7 months. About 8. He cheated on me, and I forgave him. After a month, he cheated on me worse this time. And I still forgave him.
No.
And then he did it another time. I'm like, fuck.
You must have been in love with him or something. He must was your first everything. Had to be.
No, it's not even that. It's like, as long as you like be in a relationship, you're not just in a relationship with him. You're in a relationship with his like family, his like the.
Oh, so you had on the met like the immediate family, everybody.
Type shit.
He sound like he light skinned. I try to tell y'all them light skinned niggas not with that. They always doing some. They say the darker, the better. I'm just saying. Am I wrong?
I don't know.
So you don't discriminate? You like all race? But you don't discriminate? You like all race?
What?
You don't discriminate, like you like all race?
I don't give a fuck.
So you like what you like?
Yeah, I like what I like. I like. It's not even that. It's just like if you act certain type of way towards me, I'm gonna give it back.
So you more of a. If I can get that attention, you know what I'm saying, if it's equal, you good.
Equal right, equal fight. Like, fuck.
I can teach you that. Now I'm talking to the camera. Hey man, look. I ain't gonna hold you too long. I'm just fooling around on this little app. You have a wonderful night, man.
Alright, bye.
She was trying to go all night with a nigga.
Hey, nigga.
What's up, nigga?
You nigga, bro.
What's up, nigga?
Blacks, bro.
What's up, my nigga?
Black is the black in the back, bro.
Where you from, nigga? G say, hey, black nigga. He said, hey, black nigga. What? He chilled out. Told him, hey, black nigga. Floyd, what's wrong with these folks on that bitch?
Hey, babe.
No,
hey.
Fam.
Hey, babe.
No, fam.
You're so wrong as fuck. You look like a fucking Nelly doll. You're really ugly. I can't even troll you because you're just too ugly for me to troll. I'm sorry.
That real?
Like, I really was gonna come in here and troll you, but you're too ugly for that.
I appreciate that.
Hello.
What's up?
Hey.
What's up?
Hey, Black.
What's up, nigga?
What's up, bro? Done everything good, bro.
Yes, sir, bro.
Bro, say Jai Shri Ram, please.
Say who?
Jai Shri Ram.
What that mean?
It means Jai Shri Ram. It's a gold.
It's a gold.
Gold. Say Jai Shri Ram.
Say, hold on, say it slow. Slow it down. Jai.
Shri.
Shli.
Shri.
Shlee.
Shri or Shri.
Slee.
SHREE Shri.
Shlee.
Yeah, Ram.
Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Yeah, man. Nice, bro, nice.
Hey, where y'all from?
I'm from India, bro.
Me too.
In India, where are you from?
Yeah, I just moved here.
Huh?
Yeah. When? Last month.
When you are coming to me?
Last month.
Next month? Where? In India, where?
Yeah.
In India, where? Yeah, khud you are there.
Huh?
In India, where you are shifting?
Hey, where all the good looking women's at? Who you in the room with, fam?
Bro, listen. Say, Babu Rao.
What?
Babu Rao.
Babu Rao.
Bro. Bro, listen. Bro.
What up?
Say, Gand pad rahi hai. Bro, say, Gand pad rahi hai.
Gan pad rahi hai. Hey, what that mean?
Bro, give me your study, bro. You're a nice man.
Where y'all from? What that mean?
I'm from.
No, I'm saying what that? Huh?
Gand pad raha hai. What does it mean?
Yeah, what that mean?
It means you are so sexy.
No, fam.
Listen.
No, fam.
Bro, listen. The real meaning of Gand pad raha hai, it means your ass is stretched.
No, fam.
Yeah, bro. Give me the Insta, bro, please.
Who that?
Hola.
No.
Say, bro,
Hey, look.
no.
What up?
Hola.
What? Say what?
Bro, say louda.
Merry Christmas.
Say louda.
You say Merry Christmas?
Say
Hey.
louda.
You like black women?
Black women, yeah, show me black women and black boobs and black foodie.
Yeah, how you be licking it? Like, how you be licking the booty? How you lick the booty?
Bro, give me Insta, bro.
What?
Give me Insta. Insta ID.
What that mean?
Instagram.
I don't know what the hell this nigga saying. Hey, yo, I'm back, man. I ain't know what the hell Jedi was talking about. And my camera went dead, bro. I had to change the batteries and shit out, man.